Hi, in this video, don't skip any part. Like and subscribe to my channel. Recently, in the latest update, to delete your Snapchat account permanently, follow these steps. Open the Snapchat app. Up here, click on your account avatar. Then, click on the gear icon to open the settings. Now scroll down until you get Support here. Then choose I need help. Now, as you can see on the right side, Managing my account, click on it. Now choose Delete or Activate my account. Here choose How do I delete my Snapchat account? Scroll down until you get this. To delete your account if you are on Android or on the web. Then click on Account Portal. Now this is the Delete Account page. Scroll down and here type your Snap username and password. Then click Continue. Now your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. According to what happened with me, the account was deactivated in less than 10 minutes. And in 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.